it's me, Muffin Duncan. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Titan. Okay, so starting off with this price, I think I haven't bought, this was like a year ago, and they're like really rare. I think they're around like 500 or 600k. Yeah, about the same price as Legendary Tommy. But, and they also, wait, let me show you this. Wait, I'm going to show you the stats right here. The stats, spread is half, fire rate is like 75%, reload time is not too bad, well, it kind of is bad, it's like 75 or 65%, range, not that good, and damage is pretty low. Magazine size is 60, mutant damage is 50. It takes heavy ammo, let me buy some right there. And it doesn't make you walk too slow, but kind of. It's like an M60. It makes you walk a little, but it makes you walk a little bit slower than having one of the regular guns. In my opinion, I really like this gun, 60 in chambers, so I can basically spray like this. And yes, the sound is very loud. Okay, so let me test the damage on it, this gun. 21 head, 14 arms. Okay, 27 head and 14 body. It can honestly shred. I think it's pretty good, but you should honestly have a good gun. I mean, you should have, not a good gun, you should honestly have another different gun. Because this gun, if you're spraying it with the 60 mag, is probably going to wear out soon. Because mine is already at yellow. Okay, so one more thing I like about the Titan, it's like really worth a lot because it's really rare. I don't think you can, I don't know, it's really like rare, as I haven't seen it in a long time. But besides that, it's pretty good for like, I think it's good for close combat because you can't really hit your shots at like long combat because of the range on it. Like a close or medium combat gun. Shreds in close combat or medium combat. Let's try to test it out on this robbery, which I probably won't do so good on. They're going to decide, so might as well be ready. I'm just gonna shoot my ball again. Oh, I think they're going the other way. Okay, let me test it out. Wait, let me shoot my ball first. Okay, now I got them low. Oh, too much. Okay, so that was my Titan review gun. I give this like a 8 out of 10. Buy it if you want, it's pretty rare. And yeah, bye.